Welcome to Apply Engineer. Hello friends. In previous video we saw this concept related to the quartile deviation and we saw some example on quartile deviation. Now in this video we will see first the formulas related to the mean deviation, and after that we will solve some example on mean deviation. Okay, so before going to the mean deviation, there are two types of example is asked for the mean deviation. First one is for discrete data and second one is for the continuous data. So if the question is asked to find the mean deviation about mean for following frequency distribution, that time you first understand which kind of data is given and then you use this for particular formulas. Okay, so what type of formulas? Okay, so first there are two types of example. First one is for the discrete data. So we see the some formulas related to the discrete data. So discrete data. Okay, for discrete data. So first formula is mean deviation. I write here mean deviation as short form is MD. So mean deviation about mean is equal to. So what is the formula for mean deviation about mean? The formula is summation of in mod of xi minus x bar divided by n. Xi minus x bar divided by n. So what is the xi? Xi is nothing but data. Okay, here we saw this formula is used for the discrete data. Okay, so xi is nothing but data. Whatever the data we have to given individually, this data is treated as the xi. Okay, so minus x bar is nothing but arithmetic mean or average. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to do the subtract the arithmetic mean from the data. So x bar is arithmetic mean and divided by n. What is the n? N is nothing but total number of observations. Small n is denote the total number of observation. Okay, so next one is the next formula is mean deviation about median. Next mean deviation about median. So for finding the mean deviation about median, the formula is summation of in mod of xi minus median divided by n. Okay, and next formula is mean deviation about mode is equal to the summation of in mod of xi minus mode divided by n. Okay, so how to remember these all formulas? It is simple. Okay, so if the question is asked for finding the mean deviation about mean for the discrete data, that time you have to do the this use formula. Okay, and mean deviation about median. Okay, these three formulas same, just one small difference is there. Xi minus x bar, xi minus median, xi minus mode. Okay, so what they ask to us, they as it is put after the xi. ओके, ते काय करायचं आपल्याला xi मधून त्या ठिकाणी जे विचारलेलं असेल ते त्या ठिकाणी xi मधून त्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला सबट्रॅक्ट करायचं आहे. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट येतं फॉर कंटिन्युअस डेटा. ओके, फॉर कंटिन्युअस डेटा. ओके, सो फर्स्ट फॉर्म्युला इज मीन डेविएशन अबाउट mean deviation about mean. The formula is summation of fi in mod of xi minus mean divided by capital N. Okay, so what is indicate, you can write here as a summation of f only. Okay, no problem, instead of fi. Okay, so next formula is mean deviation about median. The formula is summation of fi in mod of xi minus median divided by capital N. Okay, so use this formula if they ask to us find the mean deviation about median for continuous data. Okay, so next formula is mean deviation about mode. The formula is summation of fi in mod of xi minus mode divided by capital N. So these all formulas related to the mean deviation for discrete data and for continuous data. Okay, so next some formulas are the coefficient of mean deviation about mean. The formula is mean deviation about mean. Okay, mean deviation about mean divided by mean. Okay, divided by mean. Okay, so next formula is coefficient of mean deviation about median. If they ask to us to find the coefficient of mean deviation about median, so that time we have to use the mean deviation about median. Okay, mean deviation about median divided by median. Okay, and third formula is, okay, so coefficient of mean deviation about mode. The formula for coefficient of mean deviation about mode is mean deviation about mode divided by mode. Okay, mean deviation about mode divided by mode. So these are all formulas related to the mean deviation. Okay, so how to remember these all formulas? Just you have to remember one formula and from this you can derive these all formulas. Okay, so फक्त इथे काय केलं आपण बघा, मीन डेविएशन अबाउट मीन साठी xi मधून x बार सबट्रॅक्ट केला. इथे फक्त मीडियन विचारली तर मीडियन सबट्रॅक्ट केली, मोड विचारला तर मोड केला. आणि कंटिन्युअस मध्ये फक्त काय केली, जी फ्रिक्वेन्सी असेल ती इथे फक्त आपण मल्टिप्लाय साठी केली आणि डिवायडेड बाय इथे स्मॉल एन होता, इथे काय केलं आपण कॅपिटल एन त्या ठिकाणी घ्यायचा आहे. Okay, so these are all about the mean deviation. So in the next video we will solve some example on mean deviation for discrete data and for continuous data. So if you like this video, then subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.